Hi everyone. In the previous videos, we saw different types of control like drop down, fixed size list, input box, etc. In this video, we'll see how to use another control, powerful control called advanced filters in Google dashboard. Okay, I'm going to controls, add a control, and I'm adding this advanced filter. Okay, so the control field which I would like to have is the age. Okay, so if I want to see all the day how many patients are there, how many COVID patients are there in Bangalore whose age is more than 40, then I can use this advanced filter to see there are 24,000 patients. So this is our control field is age. And what are the different types of controls? Either I can have age equal to 40, or age between 20 to 40, age more than or equal to 40, more than 40, less than equal to less than. Okay, so these are the various types of options available. For example, if I want to know the number of patients between the age 18 to 25, I can just do it in a second. Okay, so this is the power of this advanced filter. This is the various options which we get when we use numeric data. Okay, here in this case, age is the numeric data, and these are the different options. Okay, whereas if I want to use text, okay, for example, if I want to use the district name, here is the text. So here the value will be in obviously text or alphabets. Okay, so the different things are equals, contain, start with, rejects, and end. So this is how this advanced filter is used. And again, as with any control, you have various styling options also. Okay, in the next video we'll see how to use different controls, more controls like sliders and checkboxes. Thank you.